Igbo people, are you Igbo? Are you Igbo or your mom told you are Igbo? My mom told me. If you're Igbo, so please tell me how to say this. In Igbo, I like to eat rice or I like eating rice. Tell me. Eat rice now. I like him eat rice. You like eat rice. Only Igbo. Yeah, come closer. Let me tell you how to say it. Like a pure Igbo person. I know you don't know what it's like in Igbo. I will tell you. Calm down. Like is masi. Masi. So how to say I like eating rice is iri osikapa is rice. Iri osikapa na masị or iri osikapa masịrị. Can you say that? So now whenever you want to speak Igbo, speak Igbo. If you want to speak English, speak English. Stop saying I like them. Igbo to the world.